and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the May Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit includes 2 new collections. It'll give you cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. They come out every month, and along with your kit, you will have access to a free exclusive cut file. So this month is this cup here with the title Hot Summer Days. Perfect for all of your summer documenting. You can also find free sketches and inspiration and challenges over on the Facebook group and the blog, so be sure to check those out. This month our 2 collections include Cartabella Beach Town and Fancy Pants Camp Wonder. So let's dig right in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that you'll get in this month's Double Shot Kit. Starting with the cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of blue cardstock and 1 sheet of orange. For your pattern paper, you're going to get this one here with all of the beach houses in a row. Super cute. The back is a orange with the little beach house and then little wave lines. This one is called Beach Town. Our second paper is bicycles, again all in a row, so these would be cute as borders or just use it as a background, a layering piece. The back is a tone-on-tone blue with little seashells, and this one is called Beachy Bike Ride. Then we have the 3x4 cut apart, so these are great to use as titles or inspirations for your titles and subtitles. Time wasted at the beach is time well spent. Bring on the sunshine. The beach is where my heart is. And the back is a stripe with all of the different colors. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. You're going to get a blue wood grain strip and then a strip with those beach houses. We have some titles here, this banner with beach, we have paradise, fun in the sun, all of those that you could combine to create your titles. Some awesome icons that we saw throughout the paper and more, that great little beach house there, the little line with the towels and the bathing suits. So that is Beach Town from Cartabella. Our next collection is Camp Wonder from Fancy Pants. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of Star Mist. Your patterned paper is this one, Positively Plaid, which has all of the thermoses and stuff. I love this one with all the florals, and we have some plaids. And the back is this large plaid print. We have this one that's called Patch Perfect, and it's all these different patches. These would be great to fussy cut for additional embellishments if you'd like. And the back is this blue print with these circles. Sorry, I didn't tell you the paper. Oh yeah, I did. Patch Perfect. So it's circles with these little designs within them. It kind of reminds me of like sand dollars or something. I think I just have beach on the brain. But it also has the text on the edges here in the kind of turquoisey, green, and orange. So that's a lot of fun. That'd make a great background paper as well. This one is called Hazy Daisy, and it's a green canvas with all of these flowers painted on them. And the back is this really cute print on the brown with all of the tents and then all of the little camping icons scattered around. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces, so you can see that's really a lot, and then you're going to get a row of enamel dots. Now all of the embellishments will vary, but that's a good idea of what you'll be receiving. So that is Camp Wonder from Fancy Pants. One more look at your Double Shot Kit. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Like I mentioned earlier, we have lots of challenges and inspiration. Play along with the Freaky Fast Friday and the sketches and all of that. Be sure to grab your free cut file and get that used on your layouts as well. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.